I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's doing great. Reached 500 subscribers, so thanks for all the support, all the comments. We're going to be doing a giveaway on Saturday the 10th, so make sure that you subscribe because that's all you have to do to be entered. So it's pretty simple. Please like, share, comment, send me some requests. All that is very appreciated. So I have an unboxing today from the Character Warehouse and Primark, and so I thought I would share. So let's go ahead and get started. Got my blade. Alright, we're in. Alright, this is the box. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so let's see here. These are shorts. Got these from Primark. They're Mickey... what are they calling this one? Red, white, and blue Mickey. Alright, yeah, there's not really a name for it, but yeah. So they're kind of like a sweat material. Oh, I didn't even notice that. They got Mickey on the side there. Alright, so that's cool. Alright, what else we got in here? Alright, I got some sweatpants. These are Mickey and Friends. These are from Primark. Pretty cool. Yeah, these would go great with, you know, like the Spirit jerseys and that type of thing. It's the same material. Yeah, but I think these are... This is from the Mickey's and Friends collection. So, pretty cool. Alright, so looking forward to using those. Alright. Okay, what else we got in here? Alright, I got a beauty pouch with Mickey and Friends. There's an S on there for Susan. These are really good because they're clear and then you can see all your stuff in there. I think this tag may come out. Yeah, it may come out later. But yeah, this Mickey and Friends with the S. And that's from Primark. Alright, got some bubble wrap. Okay, we got a surprise for Ted. Okay. I got him an Epcot Backpack. This is really nice. This is very cool. It's all iridescent. It's got nice straps on it. That's the bottom. Oh, really cool zipper. Look at the zipper pulls. Oh yeah, he's gonna like that, so he can carry all of his stuff when we go on our trip. And it's all stuff, but it's all like silver inside. So this is supposed to represent that earth ball for Epcot. It's probably not called that, but if you guys know what exactly it's called, leave it in the comments. But it's that the earth, or I'm not sure, but it's that big earth ball. That's all I call it. All right, so yeah, that's really nice. I like the zipper pull too, because they have really cool, like, oh, Spaceship Earth. Yeah, that's what it is. I knew it would come to me, but who knows. All right, that's what the other zipper pull looks like. But yeah, it's really cool. And then in the sun, there's no sun here today, of course, but it is like reflectant. So yeah, this is really pretty. All right, and this is from the Character Warehouse. All right, so this is a heck of a good deal on this. All right. So we'll give that to him, and he'll love that. And then the purse that I'm rocking today is my Jared Mariyama. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is his Walk in the Parks Satchel by Dooney and Burke. This is a very cool bag. And it has feet on the bottom. And it's red inside, but it's really huge. So this is a great everyday bag. You don't have to worry about it. It's canvas and leather, and you can just wipe it off, and it looks good all the time. You don't have to stress out that you're carrying the handles wrong, or you're putting it down wrong. I mean, you do have to be careful. You can't be, you know, like I like to say, slobbing it around, but it's great. You just, away you go. And you're still looking good. Alright, so that's my unboxing from the Character Warehouse and Primark today. Disney themed. So thanks for watching. Look forward to Saturday when I do the giveaway. I'm giving away a brand new Sully backpack. Mini size Loungefly. So make sure you do that. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.